Hi students, welcome to High School channel. Now I am going to explain you the summary of Engine Trouble. Engine Trouble was written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was one of the greatest short story writers in India. His stories and novels are known for the extreme simplicity of plots and characters, which revolve around the lives and hopes of middle and lower class Indians. He created an imaginary village called Malgudi, where all his stories are set in. In the short story Engine Trouble, R.K. Narayan humorously describes the problem faced by the talkative man after winning road roller in a lottery. An institution called the Gaiety Land opened an exhibition in the Gymkhana grounds. There were many attractions like lotteries, etc. The narrator of the story, the talkative man, also bought a lottery ticket and won a road engine. Thus, he became a proud owner of a road engine, though he did not know what to do with it. And actually, all the problems started with this. As a matter of fact, all the winners should take away their prizes immediately. But he did not know how to move it. However, the owners of the exhibition agreed to keep it till the end of the season. The talkative man approached the owners to help him by sending the engine driver. They said that they had already sent the driver away. Meanwhile, the talkative man was receiving congratulations from all friends and well wishers in the town. But they did not know the problems he was facing. Some said he could even sell the scrap of iron for thousands. Meanwhile, the exhibition vacated the ground. The municipal authorities sent him a notice to remove the engine from the ground or they would charge rent for the occupation. He agreed to pay 10 rupees per month. Irony was his house rent was only 4 rupees. His pocket was punished thus and he was forced to mortgage his wife's jewels for that. He approached the secretary of the Cosmopolitan Club and then the municipal chairman to buy it at cheaper rate, but no use. The municipal authorities gave him a notice to remove it as a cattle show was organized. Now he took the help of the temple elephant, a driver, and nearly 50 men to remove it. In the process, the elephant broke the opposite compound wall. All people ran in panic. The police came and took him to the station. After release, he wanted to run away, but at this point, a Swamiji entered the scene and he wanted a road engine to show his feats. The Swamiji, his disciple, became an engine driver and he got ready to drive the engine on Swamiji. The talkative man thought that the engine would be moved from its place. But suddenly there were orders from the magistrate to stop the feat. So once again the talkative man was defeated. There was an earthquake. Next morning he wanted to run away. He went to the engine to see, but there was not there. He searched for it and found it in an unused well. The owner of the house came to him in joy and told him that he had done him a service. Now that the engine fell into the well fitted like a cork. Actually, he wanted to close the well. He was receiving notices from the municipality to close it. He asked the talkative man to leave it there. He promised to withdraw all complaints against the talkative man and agreed to pay other expenses also. Thus, the talkative man was saved by a natural calamity. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more educational videos. If you like it, Like the video, share it and comment it. Thank you once again.